Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to discuss with you very important questions and answers that I didn't cover. Okay, so these are very important questions. You must have to know this before attempting the interviews in ETL testing field. Okay, so and also very important thing is here in this video I am going to share you one website link so you can go there and apply for ETL jobs. So okay, so by default we are only applying in naukri.com, so that's not beneficial for us to get the jobs. Okay, so for that reason I am mentioning here and I am going to reveal here one website name. So there I show you so many lot of ETL testing jobs are available. So in between any part of video I can show that. So don't skip the video, watch complete video, so you'll be going to get that website and you are going to apply ETL testing jobs there. Okay, so let us start the video here. So here this is not my channel, but before starting the video, if you're not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel, so that will be more important for you people to get the videos related to ETL testing. So let us start the video here. So these are the slides what I made here for you people. So first question is, what is the difference between PL/SQL and SQL? So this question is most likely to be asked in ETL testing because only we go through SQL. Okay, we are unaware of PL/SQL. So for that reason, you must know this also. So comparison here, SQL and PL/SQL. Execution mode, that is single command at a time. Block of code we can represent here in PL/SQL. So application mode, that is source of data to be displayed. Application created by acquired by SQL. So structure include in SQL DDL DML based queries and commands, and here in PL/SQL includes procedures and functions, etc. So recommended while in SQL, that is performing CRUD functions on data. Okay, operations on data. In PL/SQL, creating applications to display data operand using SQL. So compatibility with each other. SQL can be embedded into PL/SQL. PL/SQL can't be embedded in SQL. So this is very important video. Just have the knowledge about this. So second question is, what is literal? Give an example of where it can be used. A literal is a string that can contain a character, a number, or a date that is included in the select list, and that is not a column name or column alias. Date and character literals must be enclosed within a single quotation marks. Number literals need not. For example, you can see here, select last name, double pipeline, in within quotation, single quotation is a, again double pipeline, job ID as emp details from employee. Here is a is the literal. So what is the difference between SQL and ISQL plus? Okay, so this is also very important. SQL is a language and ISQL plus is environment. So in SQL, character and date column headings are left justified and number column headings are right justified. Here in SQL, default heading justification is in the center. So in SQL cannot be abbreviated. So in ISQL can be abbreviated. So here in SQL does not have a continuation character. In ISQL has a dash as a continuation character if the command is longer than one line. So in SQL, use functions to perform some formatting, and here use commands to format data. So next question is, what are the SQL functions? Describe in brief different types of SQL functions. So SQL functions are very powerful feature of SQL. That is, SQL functions can take arguments but always return some value. There are two distinct types of SQL functions, like single row functions. So these functions operate on a single row to give one result per row. Types of single row functions like character, number, date, conversion, and general. And multiple row functions. These functions are operate on groups of the rows to give one result per group of rows. Types of multiple row functions are average, count, max, min, sum, stddev, and variance. So then, what is the difference between count of star and count of expression, count of distinct expression, and where expression is any column name of table. So count of star means return a number of rows in a table including duplicate rows and rows containing null values in any of the columns. Count of expression returns the number of non-null values in the column identify the expression. So count of distinct expression returns the number of unique non-null values in the column identified by expression. So then next question comes to what is the difference between any and all operators. So any operators compares value to each value returned by a subquery. Any operator has a synonym sum operator. Okay, so you can greater than any means more than minimum, lesser than any means less than maximum, equal to any is equivalent to in operator. So all operator compares value to every value returned by the subquery. So greater than all means here more than the maximum, lesser than all means the less than minimum, not equal to all is equivalent to not in condition. Okay, so what is the use of double ampersand in SQL queries? Give an example. So use double ampersand if you want to reuse the variable value without prompting the user each time. So for this purpose, the double ampersand symbol is used. For example, select amp number, comma, e name, comma, double ampersand column name from employee, order by, and column name. So in this scenario, we use double ampersand. Okay. So the next question is like what is the difference between entity, attribute, and tuple? So entity, a significant thing about which some information is required. For example, employee, that is table. Attribute, something that describes the entity. Okay, for example, amp number, amp name, amp address, that is columns. And tuple means what? A row in a relation is called tuple. So next question, what is the locking in SQL? Describe its types. Locking prevents destructive interaction between concurrent transactions. Locks held until commit or rollback. Types of locking are implicit locking. This occurs for all SQL test statements except select. Explicit locking. This can be done by the user manually. So further, there are two locking methods like exclusive, that is lock out other users, share, allow other users to access. So next question, what are the advantages of commit and rollback statements? Advantages of commit and rollback statements are like below. Ensure data consistency. Okay, can preview data changes before making changes permanent. Group logically related operations. So these are the advantages of commit and rollback. So next question, what is the difference between user tables and data dictionary? So user tables, this is a collection of tables created and maintained by the user, contain user information. Data dictionary, this is a collection of tables created and maintained by the Oracle server. It contains database informations. All data dictionary tables are owned by sys user. Okay, so in what scenario you can modify column in a table? Like during modifying a column, you can increase the width of or precision of numeric column. You can increase width of numeric or character columns. You can decrease the width of the column only if the column contains null values or if the table has no rows. You can change the data type only if the column contains null value. You can convert a char column to the varchar2 data type or convert varchar2 column to the char data type only if the column contains null value or if you do not change the size. So next question is like describe a few restrictions on using long data type. So long data type, long column is not copied when a table is created using subquery. A long column cannot be included in a group by or order by clause. Only one long column can be used per table. No constant can be defined on a long column. So next question, what is the candidate key? The columns in a table that can act as a primary key are called as candidate key. So these are the few questions that what I discussed, and I am going to show you one website that is you are having a lot of ETL jobs there. So you can just go for this website, that is www.simplyhire.co.in. So you just press enter and then you will be going to redirect for this website. There you are getting a lot of ETL jobs, just go here and create one account. So here, click here and create one account. Creating account is nothing but by giving your email ID, date of birth, and your personal things there, and just like Naukri.com, what we create account there. So create account there and go for the keyword like ETL testing. And you can, one advantage here is you can select city also, city, state, or pin code also. So persons who are searching in particular city and particular state, this website is very helpful for those people to get the ETL testing job in particular city or state. So you can just click here on search jobs. So you are going to redirect to some other website page. So like the ETL tester, senior data engineer, and DWA testing, and lot of jobs are here. Okay, you can go and apply here. ETL tester in Bangalore location. Okay, only Bangalore location jobs are available here. If you select another city, you can get only those jobs available in that city. So like that, you can take use of this website. This is very helpful for you people to get the jobs in your region. Okay, so that's what guys, what I want to share with you in this video is about some very important questions, and the website, that is what to get ETL testing jobs here. So if you really like this video, you can just like this video and share my video and subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel. So that's very great motivational for me to make more and more videos for you people. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, friends, and take care. Bye bye.